Titingin yan.
Okay, look here. Ready, smile. 1, 2. I got first, got first.
Thank you. One more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3. Another one. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Oh, linya.
Manila. Picture sa Nilad. Manilad.
Nilad. Maynilad. Maynilad. Yung pala yan, yung halaman.
Yung pala. Yung dati, lahat yung ito dito,
yeah.
Meron yun.
Over the banks. Downtown.
Ito yung Binondo.
Yeah. They cross here. During the day, this people serves this community. May so
I-video mo para siya na... I-video mo yung kwento.
Mapa na. Old map.
Okay, there. Stay.
Ito, yung community dito, which is the Binondo side, people living here, serves this community during daytime. Sell their goods, schooling, see, no other things, and yung mga mason, gomero, all. Tapos during nighttime, bawal sila mag-stay. They have to go back to the same community. That was under Nick Joaquin's story. Historia.
Binondo.
Binondo yan.
Pasig River.
Pasig River. Kasi dito parang
Bawal yung Pilipinas sa bawal. Kaya yung Binondo naging kabila dahil bawal yung Pilipinas.
They were forced to settle here. Makikita mo yung disparity sa space. The type of building.
Yeah, isang maliit lang baka.
Ngayon, mga negosyante, trader. Kaya itong ilog natin, well, galing. Buwabas ng mga galing dito. Small ships. Parang gibara natin yung sasakayin natin. From big ship to gibara. Halos ganun pa rin. There you go. This is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. Oh, sila. Then go inside. Intramuros. They sell things. Dim sum siguro. Rice.
Baka may siopaw din dyan.
Manila, may Manila.
Historical talaga.
Diba, no? Pag-imagine mo. Sorry, so.
Corneo. Kasama pa yung Corneo sa atin.
Nung araw. Sultanet. O Bulok. Mensuno. Ganda. Beautiful country. No Bronx. Grandeur, man.
Ito naman ang galing ang Pinoy. Repeat.
The details.
Repeat. Ang galing ang Pinoy.
The details. 3D. Para yung artistic fervor mo. Kasi may mga na